I wanted to use the screencast mode of VS Code to be able to display the keys I'm writing or I'm typing. There was a special key that I wanted to show. It was about the teams, but when I was scrolling up and down, I had this message displayed. It's how it's set up in the source code. I wanted to change that. I wasn't able to do it with VS Code, so I googled and I find this utility, Carnac keyboard or magnificent keyboard utility. You can just write Carnac keyboard utility, so you can find it on this GitHub repository. To install it, you have two options. You can use on Windows Chocolatey. I didn't. From this link, I clicked here and I went to the zip file. I downloaded the zip file. It didn't download the zip file. Then I went to the folder. I extracted the files and I ran the setup. So I extracted the files in the current folder and then I ran the setup. So when I ran the setup, I had an icon automatically added to this hidden icon menu from the system tray. I disabled it later, so I didn't want to have the tool always running. So here is the icon. When you click on it, you can customize the tool. For example, you can say where you want your keys displayed on the screen. For example, I selected this option and I added a top offset, so this space from the top of the screen to the actual display of the key code on the screen. I also added this right offset. You can also change the appearance of the keys. I didn't touch that, but you can also specify if you want to show all the shortcut keys or only those that are specified in the key maps folder. This is what I selected. And you can also show the space character as a Unicode or by its Unicode, and you can also display the icon of the active application. After doing these modifications, I clicked on save. But then when I used the tool and I clicked on the Ctrl+Shift+P command and I scrolled down using the arrows keys didn't show up because they were not available in the key maps file related to VS Code. So I had to do this. First, I had to locate the Carnac folder. So to be able to access the key maps folder, so I went here, open file location. Then on the shortcuts, I also clicked on open file location. I found its folder, so you will find it maybe in your user app data local Carnac folder. And here in the app's actual app folder, there is this folder key maps. So then there is this file vscode.yam corresponding to the key maps for VS Code. I added these two key maps, one for the up key and one for the down key. So I added the name, navigates up, it will be displayed with the up key, and navigates down will be displayed with the down key. So now when I will use the Ctrl+Shift+P command or for example the Teams command, and navigating up and down, it will show me that I'm navigating up and down instead of this message. So now I can disable the screencast mode and use only the Carnac Magnificent utility. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.